This 2007 Vermeer 252 stump grinder is for sale. It's in good condition. Runs good, grinds good. One owner operated. Excellent maintenance. Always changed the oil before it needed it. It has 1,150 hours. Just has a few scrapes in the paint that you get from grinding stumps. New paint, new stickers, it'd probably look brand new. I'm not going to grind a stump in this video. I just want to make it short. All your hoses are good shape, good connections, they're all dry, no leaks. That starter was replaced a couple years back. It's had a few things done to it over the years. Has a new computer brain. If you take these outer wheels off, you can go through a 36-inch gate. As your maintenance book, operator's manual. As your controls, goes back and forth. Up and down. Forward, backward. This button engages the cutter wheel. Tires are good. This tire is bald. So if you're interested, I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.